Okay, this is the Edexcel paper 1. This is foundation tier, and we're going to have a quick look at question 1. So, please work. There we go. Draw a line from each use of a wave to the electromagnetic wave. So, detect forged banknotes. As you know, we'll scan those under an ultraviolet light, so it goes with ultraviolet. Detect broken bones. We know that it's going to be X-rays. That's because they're absorbed by bones and they transmit through the low density flesh. And then where they land, they cause a colour change on the film. So that's going to be X-rays. And night vision cameras, they're going to use heat waves, infrared waves. So 3 nice easy marks to start. Ultraviolet has a higher frequency than infrared. Which colours has the highest frequency out of all of those? So we can see here, we've got ultraviolet there. And the next colour along is going to be blue. And we learned Richard of York gave battle in vain, working that way backwards. So the answer to that one is going to be blue, A. Figure 1 shows how the brightness of a source changes with wavelength. So we've got wavelength along the bottom. We've got brightness up the side, and we can see, well, it increases. So as wavelength increases, brightness increases. It then gets to an optimum or a peak at 410 nanometers. So we're going to have to mention that. And then it decreases. So for 2 marks, it's actually quite an easy question. From 360 to 410, I always want to encourage you to include the values on the x-axis. The brightness increases to a peak of 510 nanometers, and then the brightness decreases. If you wanted to, you could add in there, if it would let me, you could add in there that it's a non-linear relationship as well if you wanted to show off. And I believe that's the end of video 1.